right, guys, we're gonna change the oil on this 48-inch Ferris Z1. I got all the tools I need, and I'll try to make this video as simple as possible. All right, so we'll get to it. One of the first things I done was I bottomed my deck out to give me easier access to my oil filter and my drain hose. And this clamp here is what holds your drain hose, and you just simply pull it out, okay? Some of the wrenches I use to break this is 11/16. That'll hold this in place, okay? And I also use a 5/8 to break the nut. So let's see, can we put some breakage on it? All right, so we got that broke off. Well, it's not quite yet broke, so let's try again. All right, there we go. So we got that broke. And now we can just simply unscrew our nut and drain our oil, okay? I had an oil pan for this, but I don't think that's gonna work out. So let's tighten this back up because we have some oil dripping. And I can get something to put up under this to catch the oil. So bear with me, guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I end up going with this little bucket here. This more only holds 1.5 quarts. So this should be enough to catch 1.5 quarts, okay? What I done was I just propped this tire here against the tire to keep the hose in line with the bucket. All right, guys, we'll let that drain, and once it's done draining, we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got this all drained out. So we'll seal this line back off. And it's best to go and tighten this now so you won't forget later. So we'll go and tighten it up. Now you don't have to get this too tight, just snug it. All right, so we got that tight. Now what we'll do now is we'll take the oil filter off, and let's move this out the way and dispose of it later. But this is my first time changing this oil, so I know this filter is gonna be tight. All right, so I got this this little tool here to untighten the filter. You can get these from AutoZone for about $3, okay? And you can also adjust it. So we'll place some rags up under here to catch any oil that's gonna be dripping. We'll fit this in here, and we'll see, can we untighten this? Well, I think I got it the wrong way, so that works better. All right, so we got our filter untightened, and we'll just take this off. All right, so we're gonna replace this with the original filter out of the handbook. All right. Now what I'm gonna do now is just take a little of this dripping oil, and I'm gonna place it around the rim. All right. Now that just helps the filter seals better, okay? And we're gonna tighten it back up. And again, guys, we're just gonna snug this. We're not gonna make it really tight. All right, that's good and snugged. We'll replace our line. good deal. And now we'll add oil. All right, guys, so what we used was this Kawasaki engine, 20-way 50, 4-cylinder engine oil. And one thing to note is when you pour this oil, you need to allow it to drain to the bottom. If you see it starts to rise to the top, allow it to drain before you continue to pour, all right? So I already added the oil because we don't want to make the video too long, and I'm quite sure everybody know how to add oil. We'll check our oil level. Find a rag. Guys, it's right where it's supposed to be. Alrighty. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you out. You come with Chris from start to finish. So guys, if you want more footage of us out in the field doing what we do best, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, leave a like. You come with Chris from start to finish lawn care.